Students, now we will study magnetic field at a point on equatorial line of the bar magnet. Let us suppose that we have a bar magnet of magnetic length 2L with center at O. Suppose we have to calculate magnetic field at a point P on the equatorial line of the bar magnet due to this bar magnet. Let P is a point on the equatorial line of the bar magnet at a distance d from its center. सेंटर से P का डिस्टेंस d है and its magnetic dipole moment is m is equal to m into 2L, where small m is the strength of each pole of the bar magnet. Now magnetic field strength at P due to north pole of the bar magnet, this will be, let we call it at B. B will be mu naught upon 4 pi into m into 1 divided by np square, because its pole strength is m and its pole strength is plus 1, because magnetic field strength at a point is the force experienced by hypothetical unit north pole placed at that point, and the distance between n and p is np square. Therefore this will be mu naught upon 4 pi into m. Now in this triangle, in this right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, np square is equal to on square plus op square. On square is l square, op square is d square. Therefore this will be d square plus l square. As the north pole repel north pole, therefore this will be along np produced. This magnetic field strength acts along np produced. Now the magnetic field strength at P due to south pole of the magnet, this will be, let we call it B dash. B dash will be mu naught upon 4 pi into m into 1 divided by sp square, because its pole strength is m. Here pole strength is plus 1 and the distance between them is sp. Therefore this will be mu naught upon 4 pi into m upon d square plus l square, because south pole attract the north pole, therefore this field, magnetic field, will be acting along ps. Now as b and b dash, they are equal in magnitude, as b is equal to b dash, दोनों same है, they are equal in magnitude. Therefore the component of b, their components, b वेक्टर इधर एक्ट कर रहा है, इसके दो कंपोनेंट होंगे, इधर तो क्या होगा b cos थीटा और इधर क्या होगा भाई b sin थीटा. ऐसे ही ये b डैश है, इसके दो कंपोनेंट होंगे, इधर b cos थीटा होगा, इधर क्या होगा b डैश sin थीटा. ये एंगल थीटा है तो ये एंगल भी थीटा होगा, क्योंकि जब दो पैरेलल लाइंस को एक ट्रांसवर्सल काटते हैं तो अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल बराबर होते हैं, तो ये थीटा है तो ये थीटा है. ऐसे ही जब दो पैरेलल लाइंस को एक ट्रांसवर्सल काटते हैं तो कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल बराबर होते हैं, तो ये एंगल इसके बराबर होगा, ये थीटा है तो ये भी थीटा होगा. Therefore as b and b dash are equal in magnitude, therefore their components along op produced, therefore their components along, their component b sin theta along op produced and b dash sin theta along po, they will be equal, they will be b sin theta and b dash sin theta. As b is equal to b dash, therefore b sin theta and b dash sin theta are equal, therefore they cancel each other. But their components b cos theta and b dash cos theta along px being in same direction, they will add. Therefore net magnetic field strength at P due to bar magnet will be b cos theta plus b dash cos theta. As b is equal to b dash, therefore we can write it as 2b dash cos theta. ये इधर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड b है तो इसके दो कंपोनेंट हैं, इधर तो है b cos थीटा और इधर है b sin थीटा. ऐसे ही b डैश है, इसका एक कंपोनेंट इधर होगा b डैश cos थीटा और इधर होगा b डैश sin थीटा. b और b डैश बराबर हैं तो b sin थीटा और b डैश sin थीटा ये भी बराबर होंगे, बट दे आर एक्टिंग in opposite direction, therefore being equal and opposite they cancel each other. However their components b cos theta and b dash sin theta, they being in same direction, they add. Therefore net magnetic field strength at P due to bar magnet is b cos theta plus b dash cos theta. As b is equal to b dash, therefore we can write it as 2b dash cos theta. Putting the value of b dash from here, 2 b dash की वैल्यू यहाँ से रख दी और cos थीटा की वैल्यू, cos थीटा इस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में cos थीटा क्या होगा भाई, cos थीटा होता है बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. बेस कितना है l, हाइपोटेन्यूज कितना है डी स्क्वायर प्लस एल स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट। तो cos थीटा की वैल्यू यहाँ से पुट कर देंगे, तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा भाई, cos थीटा L अपॉन डी स्क्वायर प्लस एल स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट। वी कैन राइट इट एज m म्यू नॉट इंटू एम इंटू 2l डिवाइडेड बाई 4 पाई। इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगी, डी स्क्वायर प्लस एल स्क्वायर रेज टू पावर 3 अपॉन 2 एज m इंटू 2l, m into 2l, this is equal to magnetic dipole moment of the bar magnet. Therefore we can write it as mu naught, इसकी जगह पे magnetic dipole moment capital M upon 4 pi d square plus l square की power 3 upon 2. If the magnet is short, then L square is very small in comparison to d square. Therefore L square plus d square, this can be written as d square. d square की power 3 upon 2 क्या हो जाएगा भाई, d cube हो जाएगा. Therefore this is the magnetic field strength at a point on the equatorial line of bar magnet. However, we have seen that magnetic field strength at a point on the axial line of the bar magnet is mu naught 2m upon 4 pi d cube. Therefore we see that magnetic field at a point on axial line is twice than magnetic field at a point on equatorial line when the distance of the points on axial line and equatorial line from the magnet is same. Therefore magnetic field strength at a point on axial line, this is twice than the magnetic field strength at a point on equatorial line, provided the points on axial line and equatorial line they are at same distance. Therefore B1 is equal to 2 times B2, or we can write B1 upon B2 is equal to 2. B1 is the magnetic field on axial line and B2 is the magnetic field on equatorial line of bar magnet.